Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to get a refund on Instacart when something goes wrong with your order. First, open the Instacart app and log in to your account. Go to your recent orders and tap on the one that had a problem. Scroll through the list of items and select the one you want a refund for. Maybe it arrived damaged, missing, or spoiled. Tap Get Help, then describe what went wrong as clearly as possible. You can also upload photos if needed. Submit your refund request. Instacart usually processes it quickly, but your money might be take 5 to 10 business days to show up depending on your bank or card provider. Refunds go back to your original payment method, not your Instacart balance. And that's it. That's how you can easily request a refund on Instacart. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.